Let's have a look at function operations. I have two functions written up there. F of x equals 3x minus 2, g of x equals x squared. Those are the functions in black. In red there, I have a question. What is f of 5 plus 3 times g of 2? Well, how do we do that? Your first step is to break it down into parts. Don't try to do it all at once, because that's complicated. So I'm going to break it into two parts. Well, actually, three. I'm going to figure out f of 5. Then I'm going to figure out g of 2. Then I'm going to put it all together, remembering to times whatever I got for g of 2 by 3. So, let's do that. F of 5 first. Going into my f function, f of 5 equals 3 times, and wherever we have an x, we're going to put in a 5. F of 5 minus 2. 3 times 5 is 15, minus 2 is 13. So, f of 5 equals 13. Good. Let's go on to my g. G of 2 equals. Now, g is just x squared, so anywhere we have an x, we're going to put in a 2. It's going to be 2 squared. 2 squared happens to be 4. So now I know g of 2 equals 4 and f of 5 equals 13. The key now is take this f of 5, take that, punch it in right there, and I'm going to take this and punch it in right there. So, let's do it. F of 5, which is, f of 5 is 13 plus 3, because we never did deal with that, times g of 2. G of 2 is 4. 13 plus 3 times 4 gives me 13 plus 12. So my end answer equals 25. And there's my answer for the very first question. Make sense? What? You want another question? All right. Luckily, I've got one sitting in the wings waiting for you. F of 3 times g of 10. Let's do this whole new question. Same thing again. Do each part separately. Do the f of 3 first and the g of 10 second. F of 3, we are going to do f of 3 equals, once again using our f function, 3 times, and then whatever I happen to have in for the x, 3 times 3 minus 2 equals 9 minus 2 equals 7. So f of 3 equals 7. Then we do g of 10. G of 10 equals, remember g is just x squared, so whatever we have an x, I just put a 10. It's being 10 squared equals 100. So, going back to my original question, f of 3 times g of 10 equals, f of 3 is 7, g of 10 is 100, 7 times 100 is 700. That is my answer. Ta-da!